Hello everyone, this is Oliver and I work at 13 here with my second Thomas Wooden Railway collection, so please enjoy. So here we have Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Oliver, Bill, Ben, Boko, Daisy, Diesel, Mavis, Stepney, D261, D199, Flying Scotsman, Wilbur, Silver Railway Repair, Neil, Big City Engine, Derek, Ari, Bert, Lady, Diesel 10, Splatter, Dodge, Harvey, Salty, Emily, Spencer, Fergus, Arthur, Murdoch, Molly, Dennis, Neville, Billy, Whiff, Rosie, Stanley, Hank, Flora, Hero, Charlie, Bash, Dash, Ferdinand, Scruff, Bell, Dart, Den, Norman, Paxton, Sydney, Stafford, Stephen, Connor, Caitlin, Porter, Marion, Timothy, Gator, Samson, Glenn, Ryan, Philip, Sam, Logan, Ashima, and Vinny. Here are my narrow gauge engines: Scarloey, Rheneas, Sir Randall, Peter Sam, Rusty, Duncan, IBOU, Fearless Freddy, Duke, Bertram, Smudger, Mighty Mac, Proteus, Victor, Luke, Millie. Here are my mountain engines: Ernest, Wilfred, Coldy, Shane, Patrick. Here are my Arlesdale engines: Mike, Bert, and Frank. Here are my road vehicles: Bertie, Terrence, Trevor, Bulgy, Caroline, George, Butch, Laurie 1, Thumper, Elizabeth, Jack, Alfie, Max, Monty, Byron, Oliver, Isabella, Kelly, Patrick, Nelson, Madge, Kevin, Flynn, Winston, Spotlight Laurie, Cherry Picker, Sodor Sweeper, Garbage Truck, Fire Laurie, the water tanker fire truck, but it's missing 2 wheels, Ambulance, Scrap Laurie, Cement Laurie, Sir Cotton Hat's Cop. Here are my cranes: Breakdown Crane, Cranky, another Breakdown Crane, Rocky, the Ice Crane with the fishing delivery thing, I don't know, Annie and Clarabelle, Henrietta, Express Coaches, the Mail Coach, Oldslow Coach, Spencer's Coach, 4 of Stevens Coaches, Forest Tram Coach, Ada Jane and Mabel, Catherine, and a narrow gauge passenger coach. Here are my brake vans: Toad, Northwestern brake van, musical caboose, and 3 Solar Line cabooses. Here are my rolling stock: Scruffy, Fred, Rickety, Gray-Faced Troublesome Truck, Hector, 3 coal cars, the candy cars, 3 ballast cars, 3 giggling troublesome trucks, the cookie cars, the demolition cars, the baggage car, a custom-made boxcar, 3 yellow boxcars, 1 green boxcar, the China clay cars, 3 log cars, 3 milk tankers, 4 fuel tankers, 3 tar wagons, 2 oil tankers, 3 barrel cars, the circus train, 8 cargo cars, the Chinese dragon, the chicken car and the egg car, the fire train brigade, the scrap cars, the newer version of the log car, the Duke and Duchess's furniture, the weather tracker, the waterworks cars, the cement cars, 2 forklifters, 2 apple cars, the milk dairy cars, 2 rock crushers, 2 boulder cars, the golden cars, not golden but gold, foghorn cars, the zoo cars. Yeah. Here are my boats: Bulstrode, Sodor Bay Tugboat, Captain, and Skiff. Here are my special editions: Adventures of Thomas, Adventures of Percy, Adventures of James, Silver Percy, Bronze Diesel, 2015 Thomas, 1942 Thomas, Origins James, and Happy Birthday Thomas. Here are my battery-operated trains: battery-operated Thomas, battery-operated Lady, and the jet engine. Here are my extras: Extra Thomas, another Extra Thomas, another Extra Thomas, a tired out Edward, an Extra Gordon, a James, a Percy, another Percy, a Toby, another Toby, Oliver, Daisy, Mavis, Salty, Fergus, Surprise Spencer, Stanley, Scarloey, Rheneas, Peter Sam, Rusty, Bertram, Mike, Bertie, Terrence, Trevor, Lori 1, another Lori 1, Max, Madge, the Sodor Ice Crane without the ice, Scruffy without the ballast, the Sodor Scrap Car without the scrap, the recycling cars but without that truck that came with it because I lost it, the Sodor Shifting Car without the golden car, Gold Car, sorry again, the Rock Crusher Car, part of the Forklifter Car and the Apple Car, and Bulstrode. This is my whole Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye for now.